Breaking news now at 6. Trotwood police need your help to find a missing teen who is believed to be in danger. Liza Danver is live at Trotwood Police headquarters with information on the girl and why investigators are worried about her safety. Liza.
Well, a press conference just wrapped up about 60 minutes ago. They just upgraded this from a runaway case to a missing endangered teen case after learning that she could be with a man wanted for sexual assault and robbery. Now take a look. This is the child, 14-year-old Memory Mobley. Trotwood police say she ran away from her foster home about 2 weeks ago. She's 5 feet 5 inches tall, 115 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The teen has run away from home before. Police believe she may be with her dad, 50-year-old Kyle Mobley. He has warrants out in Dayton for sexual assault and robbery, and police believe he is homeless. Police have also checked his typical hangouts, which are vacant homes in Dayton, but they haven't been able to find him.
It's a concern of mine. I don't want a 14-year-old to be in the presence of that type of criminal offense. Previous runaways, then she has been known to either, one, make contact with her father or somehow meet up with him. We don't know if she's staying with him.
If you have any information about the whereabouts of Kyle or Memory Mobley, be sure to call Trotwood Police at 228-8380. Live in Trotwood, I'm Liza Danver.